Alright, what's up guys? Today we're back at Dirt Runners, finishing up our indoor racing micro series, and I got something new I'm trying out today. Today, not only will I be running live time, running a timing system, but I'm also be setting up a live stream for the very first time for Detroit Drone User Group. Anyways, I'm gonna get that thing set up, we're gonna see how it works, and hopefully by the time later I can bring some racing action that I got from the live stream.
Pilots ready? Spotters ready? All right. 5 seconds.
All right, race starts in 5.
John Fly 14-9. Mayhem Marshall 18-1. Ahmed 18-9. Lightning 25.4. John Fly 12-1. Mayhem Marshall 14-7. Ahmed 14-5. John Fly 11-9. After 45 seconds, the top pilots are John Fly in first place with a 10-lap 209.9 pace, followed by Mayhem Marshall in second place with an 8-lap 211.4 pace, followed by Ahmed in third place with an 8-lap 213.9 pace. Ahmed 15 flat. John Fly 11-6. 1 minute left. Mayhem Marshall 27.7. John Fly 11-8. Ahmed 14-4. Mayhem Marshall 13-8. John Fly 11-2. Ahmed 13-8. John Fly 11-6. Mayhem Marshall 14-6. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top pilots are John Fly in first place with a 10-lap 202 flat pace, followed by Ahmed in second place with an 8-lap 202.9 pace, followed by Mayhem Marshall in third place with a 7-lap 204.7 pace. 11. Ahmed 13 flat. 9. John Fly 11-5. 7. Ahmed 13.8. 5. John Fly 11-9. 2. Ahmed 13-3. John Fly 11 flat. Ahmed 13.5. Ahmed 10.6. John Fly 13.2. John Fly done in 2:13.2. All pilots are finished. Mayhem Marshall 54.7, Mayhem Marshall done in 2:23.8.
Alright guys, that was another successful event with Detroit Drone here at Dirt Burners that finishes out our winter series of racing with Detroit Drone at Dirt Burners. We pulled off another victory, had a great time racing, managed to pull off 11 laps. Second fastest probably had 9 laps today, so it felt really good. Had lots of laps, had a great time, had the fastest lap of the day, just overall a great time. The live stream probably could have been better, had a little bit of lighting issues, but hopefully I can just work on that, perfect it for next time. The other thing too is if you notice in the footage, it was showing that annoying banner at the top saying waiting for streaming to start. I do not know why that was happening. If anyone out there knows, please let me know. I'd love to get rid of it. If I can't, I'm probably going to switch over to a different live streaming overlay, and maybe that'll help me out. But I hope I can get that solved by the time for Toledo race. Which brings me to that announcement. Next weekend, we're going to be down, actually not next weekend, 2 weekends. It was April 5th, 6th, and 7th. We're going to be down in Toledo at the Toledo Show, running Tiny Whoop and micro racing indoors as part of that expo. So I'm going to be helping out with Detroit Drone, running that event, sponsored by Excel RC. Should be a really great time. We'll have live streams set up. We'll have our timing system going. Great prizes will be given out, and I hope to do a really good showing there too. Hopefully this was really good practice. Hopefully you have a good time there. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. I hope you enjoyed the time here. And as always, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace!